Hit the road, don't even check out, cause they told me ice my neck out. Been humble for too long and I stay strong so I can flex now. Walking with my chest out, I walk past, they put their head down. Don't know why I'm at my pockets fat, cause I'm a cash cow. Always been a stand-up girl, no funny, now I stand out. You wanna rock, I'll roll with it, well I'ma bring the band out.
Today, I'm about to do my niece's hair. Let's get into it. I don't have no way to do it. I'm just about to freestyle it, so here we go. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go for a, I don't know.
Oh my god! Never go slinging in the house downstairs. I'm firing it.
Yes.
No, you can't. Your phones are still out of order. Period.
I'm picking it.
What's up, y'all? We back, and I'm halfway done. Turn this way so you can see it. Turn that way. Yes. Get into these flats and braids. Time to do the top part. We'll be back. Okay, we're halfway through. Oh, it's like 75%. Yes, now we're about to do the front states. Well, you guys, y'all already know what time it is. You have reached the end of my video. I hope you all enjoyed these kitty hairstyles. Maybe give some people some inspiration or ideas to do their own kids' hair or their nieces like me. If you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in and watching today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you're returning, thank you so much for the continued love and support. Have a great day and happy holidays.
Hit the road, don't even check out, cause they told me ice my neck out. Been humble for too long and I stay strong so I can flex now. Walking with my chest out, I walk past, they put their head down. Don't know why I'm at my pockets fat, cause I'm a cash cow. Always been a stand-up girl, no funny, now I stand out. You wanna rock, I'll roll with it, well I'ma bring the band